In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to downgrade your Jotform subscription effectively in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to reduce costs or you've simply realized that a different plan might suit your needs better, this guide is designed to walk you through the process smoothly and ensure that you can downgrade your account without any hassle. First things first, navigate to the homepage of Jotform by typing www.jotform.com into your web browser. Jotform is a widely recognized online form builder that helps users create and manage forms for various purposes, from surveys to order forms, making it an invaluable tool for businesses and individuals alike. Once you reach the homepage, you'll see a login button typically located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed to the login page. At this stage, it's key to remember the method you've used to sign up for Jotform. The platform allows for direct login with your email and password, but also provides the convenience of using your Google account, among other platforms, for quicker access. If you've connected your Jotform account to your Google account or any other platform, make sure to choose the corresponding option to log in successfully. After successfully logging in, you should be directed to your Jotform dashboard. Here you want to locate and click on My Forms. This section is the nerve center for all your form-related activities on Jotform, housing all the forms you've created or are in the process of creating. It's also where you can manage your account settings, including subscriptions and billing. Within the My Forms section, zero in on the Upgrade Now button. This might seem counterintuitive since you're looking to downgrade, but trust me on this one. Clicking Upgrade Now doesn't immediately lead to upgrading your account. Rather, it takes you to the page where you can manage your current subscription, including downgrading. Once you're on the subscription management page, you will see your current plan outlined alongside other available plans Jotform offers. Here is where you can compare the features and prices of different plans to decide which one best suits your current needs. Pay close attention to the details of each plan. Jotform prides itself on offering a variety of subscription levels to fit diverse user needs, from basic free plans for individuals or small projects, to more comprehensive paid plans for businesses that require advanced features and higher submission limits. When you've made your decision on which plan to downgrade to, select this option. The system may prompt you to confirm your choice, ensuring you're aware of any changes to your service or features that come with moving to a lower tier plan. It's important during this step to review all information carefully to understand fully what the new plan entails, including any limits or restrictions that will now apply to your account. Completing the downgrade process is as simple as following the prompts Jotform provides. These will guide you through the confirmation process and ensure that your subscription changes are applied to your account. Congratulations, you've now successfully downgraded your Jotform subscription. Before wrapping up, a couple of pro tips to remember. First, always double check the billing cycle of your new plan to avoid any surprises. Some subscriptions might change your billing period from monthly to yearly, or vice versa. Secondly, don't forget to explore Jotform's extensive help section and community forums if you run into any issues or have questions. The platform is known for its robust support resources that can help you maximize the utility of your forms, regardless of the plan you're on. Downgrading your Jotform subscription doesn't have to be a daunting task. By following the simple steps detailed in this video, you can ensure that your account reflects exactly what you need, saving you money, and aligning the service with your current requirements. Whether it's adjusting to a tighter budget or simplifying your online form needs, downgrading your subscription can be a smart move, and now you know exactly how to do it. Thank you for watching, and make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. Happy form making!